So how do you see valuations trending through the rest of 2018?
So it's obviously a very, very difficult thing to prognosticate where valuations are going. I would say two things. Let's start on the credit side. The default cycle seems to be remaining low. The part of why there was this sell-off, there was a little bit of inflationary news. That's actually probably pretty good for the economy. It shouldn't surprise people that rates won't stay low forever. There's a little growth in the economy, which is actually pretty good for credit. We're a little leery of the fact that triple Cs are getting valued as high as they are, but defaults still seem pretty low. Cash flow seems pretty good, and the tax cut does help that a little bit. On levered companies, it's not as much as the overall market.
And private equity, are there still things to be bought out there at these prices?
So on the private equity side, we focus on getting involved in companies where we can help change the answer, where we can have lasting impact on the companies. So where we can work with management teams to change the trajectory of earnings, to work to acquire two companies and put them together and build even better companies. So day-to-day impacts of the public markets, obviously, if the overall markets are expensive, it's going to make it more expensive to buy companies. But we still focus on where we can get in and dig in and make a difference.
Are there willing sellers out there right now, or are there more or less than there were, say, a year ago?
That's a geographic question.
Yeah.
So
where are the opportunities to buy, you think?
Right. So I think that there are opportunities throughout the globe. We have been particularly busy internationally, and we are really focused on. We have recently closed a U.S. fund, but recently our largest deal last year was in a generics pharmaceutical company in Europe. An interesting business, requires specific knowledge, specific skills, as well as an industry that perhaps not every private equity firm would understand.